Hello students, good morning. Welcome to maths class. Last class we were discussing about probability. In that introduction we learned and few examples also I discussed. What are equally likely, what is random experiment, what is sample space, what is a trial, what is outcome, what is a favorable outcome, what is a mutually exclusive event, okay, elementary event. All these we learn, and the probability lies from 0 to 1, complementary probability. These are all we discussed. Okay, so few definitions I wrote on board also. So whether you are copied or not, no issue. I'll send it through side, no issue. And few examples also I learned. When a coin is tossed, what are the outcomes? I wrote head and tail. When a coin is tossed twice, outcomes I wrote. When a coin is tossed 3 times, then what are the outcomes I wrote. And to find out those outcomes, there is a formula, 2 power n formula, like subsets only. That also I given. And a die is rolled, then what are the outcomes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When a die is rolled twice, or 2 dice are thrown. 2 dice are thrown, or a die is simultaneously thrown twice. Then what are the outcomes? 36 outcomes I wrote those one. Very important that one. Okay. Now about the cards. A deck of cards, playing cards. Everyone knows that one. Many of you know very well about playing cards. In a deck of cards, there are 52 cards. There are 52 cards. In these 52 cards, other than Joker card, Joker is, we leave it. Other than Joker, 52 cards. In a deck, there are 52 cards. In these 52 cards, 26 are black cards, black color, as per the color. 26 are red color. In these 26 black, again there are 2 types of cards with the help of the symbols. One is a spade, the other one is a clubs. In this space, 13 cards will be, clubs also 13 cards will be. Then this 26 divided into again 13. 13 spade, 13 clubs. Okay, 13 spade and 13 clubs. 2 different types. Again in these red color cards also there are 2 types. One is a diamond. Diamond also 13. And the other one is a hearts. Symbols. 13. Okay. There are 52 cards. A deck has a 52 cards. In the 52 cards, 26 black, 26 red. Again in this 26 black, there are 2 kinds. One is a spade, like a leaf. Another one is a club. Means like a simple small flower. 13. Again in these red color cards, there are 13 diamonds and 13 hearts. Okay. In each 13, see here, you don't find a card's number 1 in any of the color. 1 number you don't find. Numbers starts from 2. In each 13, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are the number cards. Sir, where is 1, sir? 1 doesn't, they don't, in cards 1 number you don't find. But whenever you require, in the place of 1 you will use a ace card. 1 ace card will be. 1 ace card. And another one is a 1 king card. Okay, 1 jockey. Another one is a 1 queen. Okay, one jockey, one king, one queen. Okay, these are the on these three cards. These are some figures will be. You will find some faces. So these three are called face cards. These three are called face cards. On ace, you don't find either a face or a number. Only ace. A symbol you will find. You will find a symbol. Whenever you require in the place of 1, you can use A. Whenever you require 1, this is 1 suppose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. If you require in the place of 14, again A only will use. First to last you can use it. Okay. How many will be? In each 13, these are the number cards. This is a ace card and these three are the face cards. Why we call them as a face cards? Because we find on these three cards some figures, faces will find. Some pictures will find. King picture, queen picture and jockey picture will find. Okay. In each 13 cards, 9 number cards will find, 3 face cards will find, 1 ace card. 1 ace card will find. Okay. 9 number cards will find, 3 face cards will find, 1 ace card will find. Am I clear? Again, in each 26 in black color, that means in the total 52 cards, here whatever you find in this one, same you find here also and here also, here also. That means in each 26 black cards, 26 black or 26 red. Among these one, 9 plus 9, 18 number cards will find. 18 number cards will find. And 3 plus 3, 6 face cards will find. 1 plus 1, 2 ace cards will find. 18, 20, 26. In each 26, you will find 18 number cards. This is 30 cards. In this 26 cards, this type of numbers you will find. Okay. Understood? In each 26, either 26 black or 26 red, 18 number cards you will find, 6 face cards you will find, 2 ace cards you will find. Am I clear? Next, in 52 cards, in 52 cards, 9, 9, 9, 9, 36 number cards will find. 36 number cards will find. And how many face cards will find? Here 3, here 3, here 3, here 3. 12 face cards will find. Okay. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ace cards will find. 4 ace cards will find. In this 52 cards, 4 kings, 4 queens. In this 12 face cards, 4 jockeys. Okay. Whereas in 26 cards, how many will find out? 2 kings will find. 2 queens. 2 jockeys. Okay. In 52 cards, 36 number cards, 12 face cards, 4 ace cards. Check that one. 38, 48, 52. In these 12 face cards, 4 kings, 4 queens, 4 jockeys. In each color, 1 king will be. In each color, 1 queen will be. In each set, in each 13, one jockey will find. In each 13, one ace. In each 13, one king. Like this. This is about cards. These are the types of cards I got. About the cards I described here. In a deck of cards, how many you will find out? 52 cards. In that 52 cards, 26 black, 26 red. In this 26 black, 13 spade, 13 club. In this 26 red, 13 diamond, 13 hearts. In each 13, there are 9 number cards you will find. Number card starts from 2 to 10. Number card starts from 2 to 10. Okay. And 3 face cards. What are the face cards? King, queen, jockey. Means on that cards you will find out some figures. 1 ace card. Like this, in this 26, there are 18 number cards in each 26. And 6 face cards, here 3, here 3, 6. And here 1, 2 ace cards. In these 6 face cards, 2 kings, 2 queens, 2 jockeys. Here in 3 face cards, 1 king, 1 queen, 1 jockey. Okay? These are about cards. Okay, any doubts in this one? Now, based on these all introduction part I gave, now I will go through the exercise problems. Okay? Now, exercise 13.1. Exercise 13.1, before there is a try these problems are there. You have a single deck of well shuffled cards. Try these questions. What is the probability that the card drawn will be a queen? Will be a queen. In deck of cards. In a deck of cards, 52 cards will be. In that 52 cards, 13, 13, 13. In each 13, one queen will be. What they are asking? What is the probability that the card will be drawn is a queen? Means how many queens will be? 4 queens. Means 4 by 52. Cancel it. You will write the answer. Okay. 4 ones are 4 13 that's 1 by 13. Next one is, what is the probability that it is a face card? How many face cards will be? 12 face cards out of 52. Divide it. What is the probability it is a spade? Spade cards how many will be? 13 spade cards. Just now we gave. Out of 52. Answer it. 1 by 4. What is the probability that the face card of spades? In spades, face cards how many will be? 3 by 52. What is the probability that it is not a face card? Not a face card means 12 cards remove it out of 52. Okay. What is that one? 40 by 52. Divide this. Simplify and write the answer. In problems also we will get we will discuss that clearly. Steps also I will write. These are try this question. Just try. Check. Probability of an event plus probability of the event not E means a probability of an event plus probability of an not event means complementary. That value is equal to how much it is? 1. From 2 days onwards on shouting others. The probability of an event that cannot happen is, what is that is not possible means that is not happened, no? The probability will be 0. When it is not happened, that will be 0. Okay. You will go to the bookstall and you will ask a sugar means that is not possible only. In a bookstall you don't find a sugar. So that is 0 probability. And such event is called as a impossible event. Impossible event. Next one. The probability of an event that is certain to happen. Definitely it will happen. You will go to a bookstall and you will ask a book. Definitely you will find a book. You are not asking a pen, sugar or any other things. In bookstore, books only available. So books will find out. So that is definitely happened now. So it's 1. And such event is called as a, what is that one? Sure event. Sure event. The sum of the probabilities of all the elementary events of an experiment is 1. The sum of all the probabilities of all the elementary events is 1. Next, the probability of an event is greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to 1. This only. 0 less than or equal to probability of an event is less than or equal to 1. Above 0 and 0 or above 0, 1 or below 0. That is, those are the bits. Now second main. In second main, questions are there. A driver attempts to start a car. The car starts or does not start. Here there is a, generally when you start the car, it may start or it may not start. Actually it is. Okay, it depends on the condition of the car. If you go and you will ask in garage, you will try to start a car which doesn't have an engine in that one, so it never starts. A good condition car which is a new brand new car, when you try to start, immediately it will start. Means there is no equally likely. There is no equally likely. Why? Because it depends on the condition of the car. It depends on the condition of the car. So it is not equally likely chances. It is not equally likely chances. I mean, understood? When you try to start a car, it may start or it may not start. Actually, it may or it may not start. So equally likely we will think generally. But when you go and start a new car, then immediately it will start. So more chances are start. If you go and check a car which is not working, not using from 1 year onwards, then if you try to start, it may not start immediately. Okay, so such conditions also you have to consider it is. So it is not equally likely. In your books you may find a equally likely, sir, but it is not equally likely. Clear? A player attempts to shoot a basketball, so he shoots or miss the shoot. A player they mentioned. Player here in your textbook they may be, actually when you throw a ball to the wicket while playing a cricket, it may hit the wicket or it may not hit it. So equally likely actually it is. Actually it is a equally likely. So in your book also you may find a equally likely. But here my condition is here. I am giving the explanation. A player shoots a basketball. A player attempts to shoot a basketball. Means here player they mentioned. Which basketball player? Cricket player. I don't know that. Okay? Or football player. So if I bring a tennis player and if I ask you to ask that to throw the basketball in the basket, means he may not. He may not throw exactly. A basket player who is a professional basketball player definitely will throw in the basket only. So there is a player is not clear information which player, whether it is a basketball player or not. So there is no equally likely chances. There is no equally likely chances. Okay. Next, a trial is made to answer a true or false question. The answer is right or wrong. Right or wrong answers are only, options are true or false only. If it is a true only or false also. So either that or this. Any two cases only possible. Either true or false. Two cases only possible. So it is equally likely chances are there. A baby is born. It is a boy or a girl. While taking the boy or girl, nowadays we are using a technology, but before they don't know what is that. So a baby may be a boy or girl. Maybe a boy or girl. So equally likely chances only. We don't know. We can't predict it. But equal number of chances are there. Girl chances and boy chances are equal number of chances are there. So equally likely. A baby born may be a boy or girl. Both equal chances are there. So equally likely. Before that, what I gave? Another one is True or false question? True or false question? Either true or false. Only two options are there. Either that or this. Equal chances are there. So that also equally likely and this also equally likely. But the previous two questions, player and car, not equally likely because I give the explanation. Okay. Now third question. Probability of an event is equal to. Given is a probability of an event is equal to 0.05. What they are asking, probability of a not event. So probability of an event plus probability of an not an event is equal to 1. This is 0.05 plus probability of an not event is equal to 1. Probability of a not an event is equal to 1 minus 0.05. Probability of an not event is equal to 0.95. Next is problem onwards. I don't write this formula. So direct probability of not event is equal to 1 minus of probability of an event I will use. Okay. They given probability of an event is equal to 0.05. Now P of E plus P of not complementary is equal to 1. 0.05 plus P of complementary of the event is equal to 1. Probability of a complementary of event is equal to 1 minus 0.05. Probability of a not complementary event is equal to 0.95. This is your final answer. Next. You must write the steps are here. In this probability chapter, you will find questions are lengthy but answers are very small. So, but you must write the steps proper. A bag contains a lemon flavored candies only. What is that one? A bag contains a lemon flavored candies only. So Malini takes out one candy without looking into the bag. Means random experiment, no prediction. What is the probability that the taken out is a orange flavored candy? Probability of an orange flavored candy is equal to 0 because what is the reason? Since in a bag no orange flavored candies. Since in bag no orange flavored candies. That was the first one answer. P of O means orange flavored candies. Next. What is the probability of lemon flavored candies? P of L is equal to 1. Sure event because all are lemon flavored only. Since bag contains all are lemon flavored candies. Okay, write down. Okay. So probability of an event is equal to 0.05. This is, and probability of a not event they asked 1 minus 0.05, 0.95. A bag contains only lemon flavored candies only. So probability of an orange is equal to 0. Since in bag no orange flavored candies. Probability of a lemon flavored candies are 1 because it is a sure event. Definitely because a bag contains all lemon flavored candies only. Okay. Now few more questions are there. I will discuss them in next class. Thank you.